A day of horror in Oklahoma, a massive mile-wide tornado unleashing its power. The devastation left behind difficult to look at. 2 elementary schools destroyed. There were children inside. Hundreds of homes flattened.
Here in West Michigan right now, we are in the clear from severe weather, so we want to focus on what's happening in Oklahoma right now. The worst damage is in Moore. That is just outside of Oklahoma City.
24-hour News 8's Marley Ginter staying on top of this situation for us from the live desk. Marley.
Well, Brian, and so you know we've been tracking this minute by minute from here at the live desk, just showing you catastrophic devastation. We want to show you what it looks like now. We have video, the first video we've been able to get from the ground, and you can see homes that have just been torn apart, flattened, gone. Now here's what we know. Children in 2 different elementary schools are being pulled from the rubble right now. They're being rushed in pickup trucks and cars to makeshift triage centers nearby. So we now know students were in those buildings and that dozens are still unaccounted for. Now that's on top of blocks and blocks of homes just wiped off the face of the earth. Oklahoma City station KFOR is in wall-to-wall coverage right now. They have been actually tracking some more storms that have been moving through the area as if it couldn't get worse. Let's listen in.
Northern sides of Pauls Valley and is now rapidly pulling out of Pauls Valley southeast of Byers on the panhandle of McLean County. So that's still a dangerous storm as well. There's the one down by Cornish, which is out of our viewing area. Let's go to the storm scanner comparing the May 3rd track with the May 20th track today. The May 3rd track is in yellow. The May 20th track today is in red. It was 20 miles long and it was wider than May 3rd. EF4, EF5 damage, no doubt about that, likely EF5. And again, that was in the red shade. The one major difference is, other than a very similar track otherwise, is it turned more due eastward as it moved directly across the south central parts of Moore, whereas May 3rd turned more to the northeast and then the north up to Huderberg Drive in Midwest City, and then finally lifted during the afternoon.
And this is what we've been listening in on right now. You're listening to KFOR, a station in Oklahoma City, and you can see that they've been tracking these storms, and they have just been continuously hit with a series of tornadoes, and this is what they're dealing with now today. Another massive tornado through that area, again, as we've been telling you, a mile wide. We have also heard that some of the debris that was being kicked up in the air was as far as 2 miles wide. So this is what they're dealing with over there. That station has been doing wall-to-wall coverage. We have been listening in from time to time because just getting incredible pictures from that station and true raw emotion as we've been listening to people call in as to what they're experiencing there in Oklahoma City. Of course, we will continue to keep an eye on how they're dealing with this and, of course, let you know about any other injuries that we hear of as they come in at the live desk. Marley Ginter, 24-hour News 8.
All right, Marley, thank you for that. Difficult images indeed to look at. We'll continue to update you, as Marley mentioned, on new developments coming out of Oklahoma. And we'll have live coverage at 6:30 on NBC Nightly News.